Does Xiaomi TV have screen mirroring? Screen mirroring is a useful feature that allows users to cast content from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops directly to their TV. Many Xiaomi TV users wonder whether their device supports screen mirroring and how to enable it. 1. Xiaomi Smart TVs support screen mirroring. Yes, Xiaomi Smart TVs come with built-in screen mirroring features, mainly using Chromecast for Android and AirPlay for Apple devices. These features allow users to wirelessly cast videos, photos, and apps from their devices to the TV. 2. Using Chromecast for screen mirroring on Xiaomi TV. Most Xiaomi Smart TVs run on Android TV, which includes Google Chromecast. To mirror your screen from an Android phone or Windows PC. Step 1. Ensure your Xiaomi TV and phone PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open an app that supports casting such as YouTube or Netflix. Step 3. Tap the cast icon and select your Xiaomi TV from the list. Step 4. Your content will now appear on the TV screen. 3. Using Apple AirPlay for iPhones and MacBooks. Some newer Xiaomi Smart TVs also support Apple AirPlay, allowing iPhone, iPad, and Mac users to mirror their screen. To use AirPlay, Step 1. Ensure both your Xiaomi TV and Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the control center on your Apple device. Step 3. Tap screen mirroring and select your Xiaomi TV. Step 4. Your Apple device screen will now be displayed on the TV. 4. Using third-party apps for screen mirroring. If Chromecast or AirPlay is not available, you can install third-party apps like Miracast for Android and Windows, AirScreen for iPhones and iPads, a power mirror for all devices. These apps help enable screen mirroring even on older Xiaomi TV models. 5th, troubleshooting, screen mirroring issues. If screen mirroring is not working, try the following. Ensure your TV and device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both the TV and the phone computer. Update your Xiaomi TV software in Settings, then going to System Update. Use a wired HDMI connection if wireless mirroring fails. Xiaomi Smart TV supports screen mirroring through Chromecast for Android or Windows, AirPlay for Apple devices, and third-party apps. If built-in options are unavailable, external apps or wired connections can be used as alternatives.